Good morning. Today topic is a design guideline for forging. Forging is one of the method for forming the larger size of piece compressor into small size of piece. Mostly in this forging metal used in heavy duty applications. First we see the design guideline for forging. Uniform flow. The ensure smooth and uninterrupted metal flow during the forging to avoid the defect like lapse, cold cut and flow lines. The guidelines means a design with a gradual transition. Transition is a cross section. We can see the different type of metals, some different type of pieces shown in the images. Casting grain size, these are the metal flow process imaging. Guidelines avoid the sharp corner and sudden changes the sections. So this is avoiding the sharp corner in these areas. This has a fillet shape, the formed. Symmetrical designs promote balanced the flow. Use perform black die or complex shapes. Next one is draft angles. These are the examples of draft angles. Examples of draft angles. Identified in this pictures. The exterior draft angles, interior draft angles. This area is the die cavities. This is part by the partition lines. The purpose of facilitated easy removal of the forged part from the die. In this die, typically the draft angle, hot forging maximum 3 degrees to 7 degrees depending on the material complexity. Examples, aluminium 1 degree to 3 degrees, steel may be within the limit of 5 degree to 7 degree. Draft should be applied perpendicular in partial lines. Internal surface often requires slightly a larger draft on angle than external surface. Next one is a radial annealing fillets. The purpose of improve the metal flow, reduce the stress concentrations shown in the figures. So examples of all. Avoid the sharp corner. Use a generous radial. Typical fillet radius maximum 3 mm to 10 mm depending on the part size. Internal radially should be larger than external for better die fill. Uniform radial ensure the constant of a die where improve the strength. Next one is a part lines. These are the parting lines. The line where the two half of die meet. The guidelines should lie in a single flank or flow simple contour. Choose the perfect locations to minimize the flash, ease die designs and ensure die fill. Ideally, located the largest cross section in the part, maybe. Next one is the performance. Machine allowance compensate for the surface irregularity and ensure dimensional accuracy. The allowance depending upon the forgings process of part size. The small size, the small parts 1.5 to 3 mm, larger parts maybe 3 to 6 mm. Applying the machine allowance only on the surface requiring precisions. These are the guidelines for forging. Thank you.